Welcome to Joe Probes, video number 2. I'm going to look at some of the features of the LG SM90 SmartTV. So first thing we're going to do is look at some of the settings that come up when you press the setting buttons on the remote. And when you do so, you get a little floating menu that comes up on the left hand side of your screen. Now, let's have a look at picture mode. First thing that comes up is vivid, giving you a nice bright and vivid image, sometimes used in showrooms, or if you like watching anime or cartoons, this might be a nice option. Next thing is standard mode. This is usually what you get outside of the box, so when you open up the TV, turn it on. This is the standard mode that you get. You've got eco mode, thinking about those who are cost conscious. Cinema mode, very popular option when you're using or watching movies and dynamic action films. Sport, again if you want to see the grass a little bit greener. Game mode, playing on your Xbox or PlayStation 4. HDR effect, interesting option. Kind of like it on this TV. Kind of gives you a sort of more vivid, darker and brighter areas of the screen. Then you have Technicolor Expert, again trying to get to the closest level of what the color range and images will look like on the screen. Then you have bright room option, so if you're in a bright room, this is a setting that most people could use. And contrary to that is the dark room option, again if your TV is in a dark room most of the time. Then you got underneath that aspect ratio of the screen. You can set this in the all settings options. Your sound mode. Then you got option for the different types of sound output directly from this menu. By default it's set to internal TV speaker again, which is Dolby Atmos. You got optical option if you want to connect a device with an optical link. Then those devices with HDMI ARC, like a lot of sound bars now have, and receivers. Then you got Bluetooth device, so you can connect your wireless speaker or your headphones. Then you got WISA speakers if you have any. Then you got the standard audio line out. Then you got your wired headphones option. Then you got your TV speaker option and your optical out, but do bear in mind it doesn't have variable output on the optical. Then you got internal TV speakers and wired headphones. Underneath this you got a sleep timer. If I click on here, sleep timer goes up to 4 hours. And then you've got an option here that tells you whether you're connected and how you connected to the internet. Now if we have a look down at all settings, have a quick look here. Again in here you can go into your picture mode. You can go into your picture mode here. And in your picture mode you have, again you can click on the different settings here. You can change it, so you have the option here like in the floating menu to pick which one you want. Next thing we can have a look at is AI picture. Now this is interesting. If you actually have a look at the screen here, let's see if we can get in there. See if we can get, oh no, not working. Anyway, you've got AI picture mode, which gives you the option of an optimal resolution. Content will be automatically set by an algorithm learned via deep learning technique. Then you've got options for backlight, contrast, brightness, sharpness, color, tint. Now what you do have, you also have options to apply this to all inputs. You've got expert controls. If I just go up here, click on another one, let's go, let's say Technicolor Expert. Let's go into here. We've got also the different options to change and adjust that, along with expert controls and picture options there. Again, you can turn on the AI for this. Come out that, we'll come back and look at the expert options after in another video. You got your sound options here for Dolby Atmos, AI sound. Standard sound mode settings, again you can change this, which will show your balance. If you want Dolby surround sound, equalizer on or off, so you can set this in the sound mode. You got your programs, basically your tuning sections, so when you do your TV tuning. In here you got how you connected to your internet. You can set up Wi-Fi connection. You can set up how you do your screen sharing. Important if you're going to connect to your phone, or you might have Samsung DeX device you might want to connect, or any of your mobile phone devices. You click here, you got general, you got language, location, time, date, timers, how the AI service functions and works, of course account management. Under this you got about your TV, tells you what version and software of the TV you're on. Again, you got an option to allow to connect or allow automatic updates. Again, you can see what TV this is for. The SM90, also known as the SM90 PLA, WebOS TV. One of the things I like about this TV is also the fact that it has a very good user guide. So if we click on there, what will come up on the screen is load of different tutorials on how the screen functions and all the different options that the TV has. We have a quick sneak peek on about. You've got how the home TV works, absolutely brilliant. How to manage your home, you've got options there. How to prepare live TV, connecting your external aerial or satellite link. You've got your network settings options here. Goes right through these options, how you plug in, setting up your wired network. Also a bit about the user guide itself. If we look at how to operate the TV, you have a number of different tutorials, each one really good, going through everything you need to use your remote, using TV functions through speech, speech to text, viewing, different floating options, floating menus on the right hand side, how to use your remote, launching apps, etc, etc. So you've got that option there. How to enjoy live TV, TV guide, going through here your TV guide. Can't begin to tell you the plethora of different tutorials that this TV has, explaining how to use all different bits and pieces, how to search for content. Absolutely marvellous TV for anybody who wants a very intelligent TV, but very simple to use. One of the other options this TV has is also called Home Dashboard. Absolutely brilliant. You can see what's connected, linking up Alexa, Google devices to this TV, how you connect up as well using your mobile app or device to this TV. It's got a smart connection there, smart QR code, how to play smartly TV here, sound devices. Again, lots and lots of different options and tutorials it goes through. You got the benefits of why use a smart TV, how to enjoy the internet. It does have a web browser built in, but actually quite effective. You got got Live TV Plus and how you control your notifications on the TV. Taking a tour, you can even take a tour of the settings and it actually link directly to those settings as well. So everything you could want on how to use this TV, and including any form of troubleshooting, is there for you. So let me just finish off by saying this is a great TV for those who may not have had a smart TV before. Again, very simple to use, very simple menu system to use. It also has a menu across at the bottom. Again, have a quick look here, menu system right across the bottom here, where you can fast access all your different apps. Absolutely brilliant. So all in all, a great TV. Loads of options. What I would say is just take your time, have a bit of fun, and remember, if you do put a setting in, you can always reset that setting. Hope this has helped you to understand a little bit about some of the options on the LG SM90 TV, and hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.